Welcome to Forcorp's tutorial on the map panel in eLands. In this video, we will be looking at an overview of the map panel, map interaction tools, map viewing tools, and searching in the map. Overview. Here you will see the map panel. On the right are your available layers. The available layers will be displayed on the map when toggled on. The layers will appear gray until turning blue when they are at a scale which the layer can be viewed on the map. For more information about layers, check out the Spatial Layer Management tutorial video. If you hover your cursor over the map, you can use the scroll on your mouse to zoom in and out, or use the zoom directly on the map. When you have selected an activity with associated spatial data from the search panel, it will be highlighted in the map panel. Map interaction tools. Here is your map view. In the top left, you can switch between Navigate, Identify, and Measure. Use the Navigate button to pan around the map view by clicking and holding as you move around the map. Activate the Identify tool to look up information about features on the map. When you click on a point on the map, any features overlapping that location in an active layer will show up in the table. The blue heading shows the layer name with the information below. A feature will highlight on the map when hovered over. The Identify results is an easy way to get information on activities in the area of view, and information can be copied into the search results to investigate further. You have the option to view as a table or tree. The Measure button allows you to measure distances between points on the map. Click on the starting point, and you can make multiple points on the map while the distances add up. The units are displayed in meters up to 100 meters, and then in kilometers. Double-click on the endpoint to end the measurement and display the total length of the line. And click on either the Navigate or Identify button to deactivate the Measure function. Here we have the auto zoom. If you have selected a record from the search panel and you want the map to zoom to its location, you must have the auto zoom toggled on. Toggling off the auto zoom can be helpful for when you'd like to look through multiple records without losing your place on the map. The auto zoom is also active when selecting records from the Entity Details panel. When working with land use agreements such as road use and crossings that have operational expiry dates, the time slider bar is used to move between operating years. This time slider bar is visible when a land use agreement status layer is active. When working with block routing or road use requests, it may be helpful to see the travel route for a particular record. So when a road use request or well site maintenance group is selected, the route animation bar will appear. Use the play/pause button to start and stop the animation, and the slider to increase or decrease the speed. Map viewing tools. In the top right corner of the panel, you will see arrows to expand the map. This will give you a large full-screen view of the map. Click the arrows again to exit the expanded map. Note this may be a convenient means of viewing a large amount of spatial information, but it will reduce performance due to the amount of data that needs to be served over the internet, and the map panel will consume the other panels containing the other attributes and functions. There's also an option here to download a georeferenced PDF map of the active layers. Click on the star to create a bookmark, which will help you mark spots on the map that you'd like to easily navigate to in the future. Find a location on the map and give the bookmark a name. Now, when you select the bookmark, it will bring you back to the same spot. You can also update, rename, and delete your bookmark. There's also a refresh button for refreshing the data within the map. When you're zoomed in on the map, you can use the bottom left button for a quick zoomed out view to give context to a location. Searching in the map. Use the magnifying glass to search for a disposition, type in the disposition number with no spaces, and hit the Enter button on your keyboard. This will bring your map view to the disposition you have entered. You can also search by legal location. Note that the W for west needs to be included in the meridian field. The map will zoom to a township, section, or a quarter section.